Brandon Espiritu muli na namang nag-trending dahil sa kanyang scripted na interview. Mainit na naman yung usapan online because of the recently uploaded video of Brandon Espiritu where he actually admitted na arrogant siya doon sa statement, na mayabang siya doon sa statement na binitawan niya, I think, 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago when he said that full Filipinos are less than all Filipinos. And you know what, merong mga netizens or may mga users na nagde-claim or actually nagtatanong, misunderstood nga lang ba si Brandon Espiritu or he is really disrespectful to his culture? So regarding sa comment ng isang user, sabi niya misunderstood lang daw si Brandon. And if we're going to check kung anong ibig sabihin ng misunderstood, basically, it refers to pagkakamali ng isang tao based sa kanyang sinabi or based sa kanyang ginawa. In the case of Brandon, he actually admitted in his interview na he was very arrogant or he was arrogant when he said it. So for me, hindi lang ito misunderstood. Siya mismo yung nagkumpirma na mali yung kanyang sinabi. Another thing, sa comment section na to, there are also couple of comments na parang minumura nila yung nag-comment regarding sa misunderstood si Brandon. And one thing there, it's in 20 minutes, meron siyang sinabi. And then on the lower side, meron din siyang sinabing bad words. For me, natural lang na ganito yung naging reaction ng some of the netizens because they felt like us being Filipinos were disrespected by someone who is actually half, not full Filipino. Pero I'd like to say na sa isang objective discussion, mahalaga na i-separate natin yung personal attack sa isang criticism na statement. Meron din dito nag-comment na misunderstood. Alam mo ba yung meaning niyan? Inamin na nga niya ang pagkakamali niya. And that's what I was pertaining to earlier. We have to take note that being misunderstood is different from being disrespectful. And take note na kapag ang isang remark ay malinaw na talagang nakakainsulto, we have to understand na hindi lang ito simpleng misunderstanding. Kaya very important na dapat nag-iingat tayo when we comment about the terms or the terminologies that we're using para hindi nagmumukhang damage control lamang ito. And lastly, there is a comment there na he disrespected his culture. He's just doing damage control to make him look good. Objectively speaking, kung damage control man yung ginagawa ni Brandon, bahagi pa rin ito ng proseso ng accountability and reputational recovery. But the very question is, sapat ba yung ginawa niyang interview na to na parang scripted para maibalik yung tiwala ng mga tao? What do you think kung mag-re-reactivate si Brandon sa mga online or social media platforms niya? Susundan mo ba siya or i-unfollow mo na? Let me know your thoughts.